So use this triangle to answer the question. And we are doing a proof, and we're trying to fill in this step of the proof. So I'm going to go ahead, first I'm going to look at what's given above it. So I always like to look above the step that I'm on, and in this case there's only one step above it. But it says GK is parallel to HJ. So I'm going to go mark that on my triangle. This line is parallel to this line. Alright, and then we're looking at angle HGK, so I trace from H to G to K. So I'm looking at this angle, and they say that that's congruent to angle IHJ, this angle. And I need to come up with the justification for why those two angles are congruent. Alright, so if we look at our answer options, if we think about alternate interior angles, remember, alternate interior means they're inside the parallel lines on opposite sides of the transversal. This angle is outside the parallel lines, so it can't be interior. The next one says alternate exterior. Well, this one's inside the parallel lines. It's not outside, so it can't be exterior. Corresponding angles, that means that you're on the same side of the transversal and you skip one angle. So if we start here, we would skip this angle and we would end up here. So those are corresponding angles. Let's just look at D though. Vertical angles, those are your kissing V's. That's where you have this angle and that angle. So it's not vertical angles. So this one would be C. It is corresponding angles that make those congruent.